Hi guys! I'm back! Charot. As you can see, naka-aura, naka-base na naman po tayo. Dahil, alis po ang aming La Familia. Magbo-bowling po kami mga guys, no? So actually, sa ilang taon namin dito sa Amerika, first time po namin mag-bowling. So tingnan natin kung hindi ba tayo ang matatapon papunta doon sa, alam niya na, charot. Yan lang, chinelas. And nakapants. Ito lang ang ating outfit for today.
Where's the way to tie?
She's ready to go. Show your outfit. Outfit check. Sabi shy daw siya. Sana all.
Tie.
Come shy. Gwapa yan. You're pretty to be shy. Siya lang yung gumagawa sa hair niya, guys. Oh,
You
yes.
got socks?
I have.
You gotta have socks.
Hi, Gabriel. Gabriel, what are you doing? Where's your slipper? You have socks? Oh, okay, cool. There you go, Gabe. Just wear that one. Kasi nga, meron daw bowling shoes doon, guys. Pakainin niya muna yung aso namin. So, my bowling shoes. I think there's bowling shoes in there. It depends. If not, just wear socks while you play the... Well, you know, while you roll the ball. We'll see if you can do it. Are you excited? Huh?
Oh,
Why?
I need a stir play.
Edi wow. Yan lang yung outfit ni Gabriel, guys. Naka t-shirt and naka ano lang, very simple.
Can I get it?
I don't know. Kuya is ready to go, guys. Oh, naka pantalon as usual.
No.
What?
Hot sweatshirt.
We'll see if we know how to bowl. We'll see.
I got a good shirt.
Bowl, whatever that is. Bowl or ball.
Bowl.
Like a bowl of
Si,
fruit.
si Kent, guys, ay parang he has thing where if it's hot, his jacket. But if it's cold, yeah, I buy a lot. Okay, Rolf. Okay, guys, so you ready? Ready to do bowling? I bet you're ready to just eat. Are you ready, Gabe? All right, let's go.
Down and you hit your emergency flashes right away, and then you get over.
Oh. So tara, guys. Let's go.
But he stopped right in the middle of the freeway,
Windy, guys, oh.
and of course
Anyway.
you can't do that.
Oh, in the middle of the freeway? Anyway, guys, papunta na po kami. Tara.
Yeah, like he was going in the freeway, and then all of a sudden his car. So like if it goes out, you're still gonna slow down like this and still hit the flashers and then try to get over, you know.
Right. Usap kami about sa nangyari doon sa balita,
And
guys.
clear, you try to get all the way over.
Anyway, papunta na kami. Malapit lang kami. So, tara. Let's go. Traffic, guys. Ganitong oras, rush hour. Yan. Rush. So, dito yung area na maraming mga tindahan. Kasi malapit lang kami sa lahat. May sapatusan doon. Yan, restaurant. Ayan, whiskey. Oh, that's the whiskey barrel. Oh. Because we actually plan on going there. But they don't dance until 11 p.m. Oh, really?
Don't worry, I'll watch the house.
So, malapit na kami.
What else? What are you talking about? Mom's going, not me.
Traffic, guys. Na-stuck up kami sa stoplight, guys.
Mom's got a itch in her butt.
Naman dito, mga motels, apartment. Ayan dyan, guys, oh. Ayan. So, lapit lang namin. It's like 5 minutes drive or 6 minutes. Ito, hotel, guys. Comfort Suites. And another hotel doon.
There's people here. It's
So,
probably,
dito, guys, baka crowded ito dito, no? We will see. Don't know.
That's
Yan.
handicap right there.
Dito na kami, guys. Mag-park lang si asawa. Then tingnan natin sa loob. Ito siya sa loob. right? Not bad. I know. May pa-locker sila dito. Alright guys, tara, bayad muna tayo.
I like that boy.
Dito, may pa-bar dito. Shoes, kailangan
Let me see
daw
your
to
shoes.
dahil required.
Give me that slipper.
You can pay with card, right?
And the kiddos, kuya. Okay. So what, are we good? Ayan guys, sa aming 5, nagbayad kami ng 66. Ayan. And then, kailangan mong sumuot ng sapatos dahil required. Meron kay asawa. Ayan. And then, meron sa mga bagets. So, tara guys, dahil first time po namin.
First time on
Mag-bowling tayo guys. Kuya,
Gotta wait for like the person. Don't throw it.
alright, good job. Yay! Oh, okay, next time. Alright, good job. Yay! Good job. Yeah.
See?
Good job. Yung go. Next. Go, Dad. Alright. Good job, Koy. Good job, Dad. Nice. Ito sila, ayaw nila maglaro. Why not?
But I never even wanted to come here in the first place.
What about you? Why do you wanna play? You should play.
I don't want
Kaming matapos. Ayan si asawa. Parami ng tao dito. Meron pang nag-party dyan. Kasi hindi siya naglaro. Hi, Gabriel! Ayaw ni Gabriel, guys. Lapit na. 8 seconds na lang. Lapit na. 9 seconds. Ha? Okay. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Go, Dad.
back to school shameless.
Okay, that's fine. That's probably by the end of the month. We're gonna go back to school shopping. Tapos ito guys, umiiyak kasi ayaw niyang maglaro. Why? Why you're crying, ha? Ha? I know you're hungry. We're gonna go grab some food. Done na kami guys. Done na kami. Ayan. Yeah, why? No. May locker sila guys. Yes.
phone?
Yes. Actually, meron silang for 1 hour for family. Merong free pizza pero hindi namin yun gigrab kasi hindi namin alam kung magugustuhan ba namin ang bowling o hindi. But so far we like it. Come on, Gabe. Gabriel, go with Daddy. Nagustuhan naman namin siya guys, kaya lang kukuha kasi kami ng dinner sa KFC. Kaya hindi na namin gigrab yung yung may libreng pizza. Gabriel, go there. That's waiting for you. It's messed up. Tara na guys. Dito kami ngayon sa KFC guys.
Like the 30-piece feast?
Yeah, so you guys have sudan for tomorrow.
I'm not gonna eat any.
Drive-through lang kami. Para hindi na magluto.
Well, look at the menu.
Well, we already know what we're getting.
There's $20 family meal,
That's what I said, a family meal.
but that's only too late now.
Guys, ito na yung order namin.
Don't go.
Tapos meron pa dyan sa baba. Ayan. Jeez.
Well, I have to get going here. They started
Ang
coming.
init. So, ano masasabi namin sa bowling? It's fun. I had fun. But isang oras lang kami doon
Hey,
guys
bro, you
kasi
have
ang
fun?
sakit na ng kamay ko.
You didn't even try, but you gotta start trying stuff, all right?
Yeah, exactly. You need to try stuff.
You're
Takot si
you're too
Gabriel
big
guys,
to
umiiyak.
not be able to try.
Kasi gusto niya lang maging
You gotta
blind
get
na
a little
doon.
exercise. You can't just live on that tablet and not do anything else. You too, Addie.
So maganda naman siya
Yes,
guys,
should
not bad. Babalik na kami
participate.
doon. Magstay kami for 2 hours. Tatlo kami.
No reason.
Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. This time, nanalo si asawa. Congrats Han, you're the winner. So, deserve niya ng KFC. Dito na kami. You guys wash hands first. Ito yung biscuit nila. Fresh biscuit. Tapos, mashed potato. Oh, shrimp. Ito yung mashed
Eat 'em all.
potato.
Make a peach pie.
And coleslaw.
the skin.
Well, you can feel it, coleslaw guys. Because it's very sweet. Manok guys. Tapos meron pang manok dyan. At saka mga sauce
Did
niya.
you do your left
Oh yes. Alright, let's help the kiddos. And ayan yung honey.
What is comeback?
Bon
sauce?
appetit guys. Ito yung dalawa.
Oh, it-